How to get your memories back on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your memories back on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Snapchat application itself, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android. So from here, let's just type in Snapchat from the search bar and see if our Snapchat application is up to date. As you can see, it says open right here. So if it says open like that, that means that your Snapchat application is currently up to date and you should have the latest features as well as the latest bug fixes. If not, if it says update over here, just click on the update button so that you'll have the latest features with the best performance within the app. Once you have made sure of that, let's just head home and open our Snapchat application right here. And from the camera page, to access your memories, you just have to swipe up and you can basically scroll through your memories that you have saved before within the Snapchat application. So when you have discovered that your memories seem to be lost, so to get your memories back on Snapchat, let's just head on to our profile icon at the top left corner right here. So to actually prevent losing your memories within the Snapchat application, let's focus on this three dotted button beside add to my story option right here. Just click on that and make sure that you have toggled on the autosave snaps to memories. So this will prevent you from losing your snaps to be saved as memories. So that will be automatically saved as memories within the Snapchat application. So however, if you want to recover your memories back on Snapchat, like you have lost them within the app for some reason, so you just have to click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, scroll down all the way through, and the option that says my data right here, we are going to click on that and it will load up a page from Snapchat. So when you have clicked on this button for the first time, you may want to log in, as you will be asked to do that. So from here, you can see all the data available within the app, such as the name and all, and you can also see the memories option right here. So that means your memories are basically stored within the Snapchat application. And you can also see the data available for download, and as you can see again, there is also the memories option right here. That means that you can download the memories you have within your Snapchat account. So you can then enter your preferred email address to submit your request. So Snapchat will use this address to notify you once your export is ready for download. So just type in your email address right here and type it in again to confirm it, and just click on submit request so that will so Snapchat will be able to send the memories to your email.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.